Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massler along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get you some stocks on the move, and we've got some big movers in the aftermarket. Bloomberg News equities reporter Bailey Lipschultz in the house. We got to talk Tesla.
Yeah, got to talk Tesla. The stock right now up just under 3%. The big news, granted, fourth quarter profit better than expected, despite lower car sales, investing about $2 billion in Elon Musk's xAI startup, one of the competitors, with OpenAI and Anthropic. That does seem to be standing out to investors. Just looking through some of the buy-side folks who put out notes, really calling out, okay, if you're buying into the vision that Tesla is more than a car company, they're getting into robots, what does that mean for xAI? Seemingly, this is a step in the right direction, at least according to those investors, despite the fact that under the hood, kind of meh.
Wait. Investing in Elon's AI company?
Investing in his own company.
How'd that happen? I kind of get it, but it's amazing that it's...
He knows people.
That enthusiastic. Like,
he knows people
that
there.
kind of
That's
reaction.
how it happens.
Well, I mean, you think back to Sun City, right? They acquired that company, and it was like, okay...
Solar City. Yeah, his cousin.
Solar City. So it's like, okay, how deep does this go? And if you're an investor who's been buying the Tesla vision for how many years, all he's done is make you money. So it's easy to say, okay, well he sees something you don't.
Check out that Walter Isaacson bio of Elon Musk for the sort of story around the Solar City acquisition. Not everybody was completely happy with that. Let's go.
Many would call him a visionary where he goes. I know. We're racing the clock.
We got to go. Okay, so Meta Platforms.
Meta Platforms right now up 9%, was up more than 10%. Beating expectations, Zuck just basically talking up AI and the possibility for them to drive in the long term. The big thing that does stand out is, okay, well, 2026 spending is going to be more than what Wall Street looked for, but he's actually calling potentially for the peak spending, at least in some units. So it does seem like investors are lapping that up. Again, when you're looking at a company, ticker META, that's $1.7 billion and up 10% post-market, there's got to be something for investors to like, and it does seem like leaning into advertising, expanding their opportunities within engineering, and kind of getting better with AI.
All right, Microsoft.
Down almost 5%, ticker MSFT. The big issues are cloud. So cloud sales growth slowing more than expected. They're ramping up their spending in AI, so getting hit from both ends. If you're Meta, you're spending up on AI, but at least there's a vision for how that kind of pays out investors in the long term. When your cloud computing is, or your cloud sales are slowing, not so much for Meta.
All right.
Or not so much for Microsoft, sorry.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.